Alright, what it do, y'all? Basically, it's me again. Yeah, the sassy one. What's good? Basically, this video is for, my house members and things like, and shit. So, yeah, I'm in the legendary, and I mean legendary, iconic house of Infinity. Shout out to the House of Infinity. You know, it's basically, a house where, let me see, the House of Infinity, we've had, a lot of members, way back when, even before I even thought about becoming Infinity. Shout out to the whole House of Infinity nationwide, Denise, Mother Solomon, Storm, you know, the new member, Koki, congratulations for making it in today. Um, Baron, Eloy, like, yeah, the whole House of Infinity, I love y'all, because y'all keep me motivated. Y'all, saw potential in me, and y'all took me under y'all wing, and y'all molded me into, the woman, not the femme queen. Let's not get it twisted. The woman that I want to be as far as in the ballroom scene. Yes, because this ballroom scene is not my life, and I want the kids, that's in the ballroom scene, whether it be the real scene or a Kiki scene, you make sure you have a life outside of the ballroom scene. You don't want to be just known for being in the ballroom scene and have no other credentials behind you. Life is not all about the ballroom scene, but to each their own. So this video is for the whole House of Infinity. Once again, shout out to the House of Infinity. I love all my members, my sisters, my brothers, my mothers, my fathers that's in the house. So, yeah, Infinity Power forever. I love y'all. Mwah.